Hi guys! It's your girl, JekJek's the Clown, back again for a balloon art lesson. Yeah, it's been a while since we did one of these, hasn't it? Don't worry, I promise it was worth the wait, because you are gonna love what I got to teach you this time. For this lesson, I'm gonna teach you guys how to make and Among Us Crewmate. Yeah, from that really popular game that everybody's playing for PC, mobile, and Nintendo Switch. Yeah, that one. Let's get started. To make an Among Us Crewmate, you're going to need 3 balloons. 2 of the same color and a white one. Now, the white one is always going to be white, but as for the 2 that are the same color, they can be any of the 12 available colors in the game that you want. But this time around, I'm going with purple because purple is my second favorite color to play as. Air up the first balloon almost all the way. Not quite, but pretty close to all the way. Let some air out and tie it. So with this balloon, we're essentially going to be making a plain rectangle. So you're going to want to try and measure it into 4 equal segments. About this size, roughly 5 inches. So 1, fold it over, twist it in, there's 2, and now bring the third one around like that, measure it, twist it, and then push it through the other 2. Like so. And now, twist it again at the bottom. And you should have something that looks like this. So we don't need this right here. So we're just going to twist that really tight and pinch it. And then let the extra air out. Tie it in a really tight knot so that air don't come out. And then use the slack to secure it to the rest of the balloon. I recommend wrapping it around the top about 5 or 6 times. And once you've done that, go ahead and cut off the extra. Now, we're going to air up our other balloon. But this one is only going to be about 2/3 of the way. Leave about that much slack. Let some air out and tie. First thing we're going to do is measure the end of your new balloon to about half the length of the balloon you already made. Once you've measured that, twist it. Mine's about 3 inches, but measure it to this. That's very important. So twist it, and you should have that so far. So now, twist about a 1-inch bubble, and pinch twist it. Like so. Now, make sure you're squeezing it along the way, otherwise this thing's going to pop. Now, you're going to do another 1-inch twist. You're going to leave it as is. And now, another 1-inch bubble. But this time, pinch twist it. It should look like this so far. Now you're going to make sure that the part you started with is equal in length to what you're twisting now. So we're going to twist it about right there. Make sure those are nice and even. And now another 1-inch bubble. And pinch twist it. Alright. Now here's where it changes up a little bit. We are going to do a flower petal. About 2 inches. Because we did that pinch twist, that flower petal is going to be pointing down like this. And now finally, another 1 inch, another 2-inch flower petal. And finally, you're going to take the slack of what you started with, and you're going to secure it around the tiny bubble that you have remaining. Your finished second balloon should look like this. Is it coming together yet, guys? It should be. You're not going to air up the white balloon very much at all. No, no, no. As a matter of fact, you're only going to air it up about this much. That is all you need right there. So let's go ahead and tie it. Notice I left a lot of tie slack. That's actually important. And now what you're going to do is you're going to measure a little more slack of the extra that you have. And you're going to tie it in a knot right there. Just like this. Do you see the knot? Right there. And now you're going to cut off the extra. And what's really convenient is that you can use the rest of this for another one if you want to make more than one crewmate. So now we're going to take what we did here, and now we're going to put the backpack and legs up against the body like so. And we're going to line up our white like this, and then we're going to tie it around both the body and the backpack. And this is actually what's going to secure the whole thing together. Just like that. And now, turn it around. There it is! There's our Among Us crewmate, all finished. Tell you what though, purple is looking kinda sus. Should we vote off purple? No, you don't think so? You're gonna tell us that you're not the imposter. You're not. So, I didn't see you vent in the last round? No, that wasn't you? No, and it also wasn't you who killed Red Electrical, huh? No, you didn't kill Red Electrical. No, you're innocent. Yeah, okay, alright. Alright. We're gonna skip for now, but I'm watching you, pal. I'm watching you. Well, that concludes this balloon art lesson. Remember to practice, practice, practice. And if you pop balloons, it's okay. It's all part of the art. No, not you. Not you. I didn't mean you. You're fine, okay? Anyway, I'm your girl, JekJek the Clown, signing off for now. Bye, guys!